Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Caspa news. Yesterday, we saw Caspa surge from this 13-cent support level, pumping roughly 13 to 14% before inevitably struggling to break above this 14.1 cents resistance level, correcting back therefore to 14 cents on the daily time frame afterwards. But I'm here to tell you today, right now, that this is just the calm before the storm, and that there is another insane Caspa pump on the horizon. Now, quickly before I get into the recent Caspa and crypto announcements though, I just want to thank you once again for returning to the channel. Please leave a like on the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Caspa content. So, first things first, for some really quick clarification, yesterday's price movement seemed to be heavily influenced by Da Vinci Jeremy flooding Caspa once again, to which, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then I highly recommend checking out my latest Caspa video if you haven't done so already, because it's insane what he said. But seemingly, thanks to Da Vinci Jeremy, he ignited some bullish momentum into Caspa's price action, and now the incoming catalyst will be able to ride this wave, sending Caspa to new all-time highs. For example, Caspa is currently attending the Hong Kong Web3 Festival, spreading awareness about the project, and the best part about this is that there are institutionally important people at this event, the likes of Cathie Woods, so this is an incredible opportunity for Caspa. And better still, I have a snippet here from Shy, one of Caspa's lead developers, speaking at this event. So let's take a listen.
So on the testnet we have right now 10 blocks per second, which translates to 3,000 transactions per second. And we see that the nodes can carry queues of up to 600,000 pending transactions without having any significant slowdown. And all of this is just on the layer 1. I mean, you could use Lightning or Polkadot or any layer 2 that you like. You can import it to Caspa, and you have a lot of bandwidth to implement this over.
Ultimately, this event could act as a potential catalyst for Caspa due to the potential partnerships and connections that they may acquire, sending Caspa even higher. But that is not the only reason I have for you today. As highlighted in this post from the Caspa enthusiast, we are closer than ever before. I've preached time and time again in my recent videos that the interplay between Caspa's hash rate and the price is not something to overlook. If anything, it is very, very important. And I've stated that once they cross, there is going to be a pump. Although truth be told, I admit I'm at fault here, because that's not the whole truth. The whole truth is once they recross again, as we can see in the photo in the green box, that is when there is a pump. The first crossing, when the hash rate surpasses the price, is an indicator to start DCAing into Caspa, but it's the recross that always results in the breakout. That's when the breakout happens, when the price and hash rate cross again, when they intertwine once again. And again, as we can see from the photo, we are closer than ever. Our Pulse head of research, Dr. Martin Heisberg, a man who is paid to be right on these things, has already stated that Caspa's accumulation and consolidation phase seems to be coming to an end, and it would be unwise for you to ignore this man. There has never been a more important time to get into Caspa, to get into crypto. An article published by CNBC states that the strong US job market is in a sweet spot, but this is actually debunked here by the Wall Street Silver. The economy added 691,000 jobs last month in March, but the bad news is all of them were part-time jobs. Full-time jobs actually fell by 6,000. Government jobs are up 71,000, manufacturing jobs are not up at all. So how did the media portray these job datas? Well, simply put, this is just evidence to you that the media is trying to deceive you, lie to you once more. And in fact, we can see here that with the US dollar, the global reserve currency, down roughly 11% against gold and down 40% against Bitcoin just this year alone, 2024, and we're only 4 months in. In my personal opinion, although to reiterate, none of this is financial advice, this to me is a warning sign that you need to do your own research, get your money out of fiat and start looking into making investments. With the Bitcoin halving now only 11 days away, the crypto boom is within reach, closer than ever. And with this crypto boom, Caspa is going to finally see its first bull market ever in history, and it's going to send shockwaves through the crypto space. For one, with the Rust migration on its way and rising very, very quickly, now at 7.09% already, which is insane. We could very easily see the snowball and speed up, potentially reaching 50% in the next 1 to 2 weeks by the crypto Bitcoin halving. And as Caspa's hash rate continues to break new all-time highs time and time again, now sitting at 25.14 PHS, Caspa is inevitably going to explode any day now. I strongly believe that, so buckle up for another insane Caspa pump. But again, remember, don't be emotional, be logical.